In this video, my amazing husband made veggie stuffed poblano peppers, which are keto friendly-ish. First, he grated some lime zest into a bowl. Then he chopped an onion and he cooked it in a little bit of olive oil. He added some garlic and some cayenne peppers and some other peppers, salt and pepper, and cheese and pinto beans. He cut up some of the poblano peppers and he added in the beans after the onions, and then he added the cheese after he added some white corn. He mixed 2 blends of cheese and added some lemon juice, mixed it all together. Afterwards, he got the poblano peppers and made sure that they were nice and stuffed to the brim. They were absolutely delicious looking. I couldn't help but want to taste some of it before he baked it. Okay, so he made about 4 or 5 of them for me, and then he added ground beef for his, mixed it all together. So his were cooked separately on a separate sheet as well, baking sheet, and those are his, and then this is the end result. So good.